Hello guys, another toy review. By the way, thank you for 10k subscribers. What came in the box is instructions and the allosaurus itself. And it can roar. And there's some damage. Size comparison. Spinosaurus is bigger than the allosaurus. And it can do damage. Here's the speaker. Under the rib cage, you can remove it, lift it up, and you can press the organs, intestines, and whatever this is. And it's squishy. And there's a DNA which you can scan in the Jurassic World app. Overall, this toy is pretty cool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications button to never miss a video ever again. Right, Allosaurus? Now you just have to give your name.